Hello, sweet mommies. Welcome you all to Strategy Sangamam in the segment of Kids Park. How are you all? We are all fine. In our today's video, we are going to discuss about the very important thing which we are facing in our current situation. Yes, about kids, especially in this lockdown situation. Actually, this lockdown has been released and almost every people comes to their normal position. But still, this corona is strong everywhere. So even the lockdown is clear and every people is roaming everywhere. We have so many things still we are facing, which is not like the regular one, like the previous year or like some of the previous situations, how we were previously. Because of this pandemic situation that is due to this corona, so many things has been collapsed. Even the education industry is getting collapsed with so many things. So not to spoil the particular academic year of kids, many institutions are running online classes and so many other things, like keep in touch with the subject for the kids. So here one thing we need to focus, because being in home and doing a simple routine work is very frustrating one for the adults. So just think about the kids. Few weeks before, just I have seen a video which is very viral, even you might also have seen. So in that video, a small kid age around 3 to 4, he was asked to do some online homeworks or something. So actually that video went viral and every people explained and commented about that kid and all the words what he spoke in a different way. But according to my view, what I felt is that kid was completely under stress and depression. Because of that depressive stage or situation only, that kid is asking like this, please leave me, I will do this tomorrow, like kind of begging. He was pleasing his parent or someone to do that video for just for fun. They could take video or whatever it is. But one important thing what I'm trying to convey is no need to force kids for anything. They are just kids. They need to enjoy their world and all the things which they are facing around them. So why I'm insisting about all this situation is all this quarantine, this lockdown and being in home and stuck in one particular work or maybe in the particular situation is very horrible for the adults, very highly. So just imagine about the kids. We have to take care of them in a very smooth manner. Definitely the stress, depression and all is a very big deal which everybody is facing nowadays. So you may think why you are connecting this content with kids topic. It's true, because stress and depression are the very major issue even kids also facing. So they might affect easily, but only thing is the way how they are reflecting their stress and depression will be different. Some kids may cry, or some kids may not sleep and simply lying in a corner and not sleeping or not concentrating in some works, or maybe not mingling with other kids. So many other things are there. So this stress and depression is the very big issue for kids also. So please keep that in mind and take care of your kids. That may be related to their education or maybe anything, because we are not taking them out for other activities or some leisure thing or for any other thing like previously. Definitely such expectations may be registered in their mind that we used to go everywhere, then why we are not going. Some kids who is somehow okay with their ages or a little grown, they can understand what is actually happening in their immediate environment. But the kids who is in the infant stage or maybe in the adolescent stage, even infant stage is not also a problem, because those people will be highly depending and we can take care of them according to the situation. But being from the toddler stage, many kids will able to express what they want and what they're preferring. So in that time, like their regular preferences and all their regular days, they will be having the things in mind. We used to go there, we used to visit here and there, and now we are not going anywhere. Why? So the question will arise, why? Definitely those things will be expressed by them to their concerned parents or the elders, whoever is taking care of them. So in this situation, we have to be very patient. Like we should convey our words in a very comfortable manner to the kids. If suppose they can able to understand that something is going on, it is well and good. They cannot repeat all those things like adamenting or crying or shouting for what they want. In case if they are crying or if they are adamenting in some situations, even we will also feel stressed because of this current situation. Like you may be a working parents, or you may be stuck with some other responsibilities or whatever it is. All those stress and pressure will be forced to the kids immediately, because they are the people who is near to us. Definitely all our stress and depression will be passing to them immediately, and definitely that will affect them very soon and hardly. So handle them with a very careful manner. So being a mother, as a responsible mother of 2 kids, I'm also keeping my kids always inside the home due to this situation. Very rarely we are taking them out for a walk, that too within the community, and if possible we will be taking them in car, just roaming in and around the places by closing the windows in car, that they can understand. But still sometimes they will be asking, shall we go there, shall we go here, like that. But it is not possible, that we know. So please try to convince your kids in a smooth manner. Don't put your words in a hard way, or don't express in a very forceful manner. As far as I know, and some of the things which I experienced, I'm just sharing this things. Let us discuss so many other stress and depression related aspects which is matching to kids and other aspects in the future videos. And before closing the video, I want to share one real experience which is happening to our nearest circle. There was a kid who started to speak in the actual stage, like nearly like 10 months or 1 year around. He was very good in speaking or his mother language and all the other thing. But what happened some one day is when he was crying, not one day, that thing started to happen continuously. Whenever he is crying or whenever he is shouting or doing, people who is taking care of them, maybe like their parents or someone, they tried to control him in a very forced manner, like showing hands like slapping, or showing hands like this near to his mouth, or beating in mouth itself. Likewise they have done some of the hard things. So what happened is, because of that shocking thing which is facing by the kids, his speaking ability turns very tough in the middle. Like his words are collapsing. He started to collapse when he starts to speak. Then only they were realizing that something happened because of those forceful thing experienced by that kid. So definitely whatever we are reflecting to kids, that will affect them physically or psychologically, even emotionally. That will reach to many unexpected things in the future, and definitely that will disturb their future. So please try to take care of your kids in a smooth manner. Spend enough time with them, because they are taking these online classes and they will be engaging with projects and some other works and not going outside. If you have enough time, please try to take your part of a time with your kids to engage them. And in case if they are working continuously, it's no problem, that they can understand they have to do those works. It's their responsibility that they have to complete some syllabus or some test or homework, something else. No problem if they are doing it by themselves. But whatever it is, whether it is their extracurricular activity or maybe their education related work or some other thing, don't force them for anything. So it's just a simple thing, but I thought of expressing my views about this particular situation from kids' point of view. So that's why I posted this video. Hope this will give you a little idea about all this thing. Let us have a good discussion and more important discussions about kids in future videos. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, like, share. If you're not yet subscribed to Strategy Sangamam, just do it immediately and hit the bell icon for the future notification. And see you all soon in the future video. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day. Bye.